Good morning, YouTube. I have another video for you. So, today we're talking about babysitting. Now, this used to be a thing of, like you're a teenage girl, you want to make a little extra money, so what do? You babysit the, new family cousin or your sibling. You made a few bucks. But now, it's become it's kind of evolved into a different business. Now, yes, you've got the daycare. You could still, if you're a teenager, if you're younger, if you're, stay-at-home parent, you can make money. You can make a little extra. It's something. But say you want to take that a little farther. You could be a nanny, be a full-time nanny. Now, that's gonna give you definitely a pay increase, and it's a more personalized approach to babysitting. You're older obviously, but it's pretty much the same thing. You're gonna take them places, trips, and things like that, and you care for them. So it's a little more in depth than babysitting. So obviously, you're gonna charge more. So, say you want to take that even farther. Well, start a business. You can do a daycare facility or an adult, like say nursing facility or nursing home. Obviously, both, they make money. You can make some serious money in a nursing home or a daycare if it's in the right location and there's a high demand in your area. So those are just ideas. You can take it however you want it, but just know that there's so many ways out there to make extra money or even, make this your full-time income. So guys, I hope you have a great day and peace.